see the leak it. It ain't no secret, so be it, so be it. Smoke.
Hi guys, how are you all?
I am good.
Okay, guys, how comfortable? What are you doing in school, Jay?
We're going over equations to get warmed up again.
Do you find it a little easier, Jay?
Yeah, it's pretty easy now.
Okay, how are you on equations at school? A little easier than here?
Yeah, it's the same basically.
Oh, okay. Now, Sreshta, what's happening in school?
We started fractions and decimals.
Fractions. Okay, I see. Johan, I know. Vikyat, how about you?
Say that again.
How about you? What are you doing in school?
In school we're doing scientific notation and square roots.
Ah, I see. Interesting. Okay. Hey, is your test over, Harshit?
No,
Is your
ma'am.
okay, not yet over? Okay, that's fine. All the very best on that. Okay. Lakshmita, what are you doing in school, ma? Solving equations? Okay, they've not started functions.
No, not yet.
Okay, that's good to know. Akshita?
We're doing functions.
Okay, at the end of it, right? At the end of the class. Avyukt, what about you? What are you doing?
We move from explicit formula to functions.
Functions, that's good to know. Okay. So guys, um, so at the end of the class, right, whatever you did on your homework, whatever you did last class, there is a test. Okay, any questions there? Any questions?
Miss Priya?
Yama?
Oh, I just wanted to tell you we started function notation in school.
That's nice. I thought you and Avyukt are both one and the same actually. No?
Yeah, we are, but I don't know. We're in different classes.
Yeah. So the teacher is different, right? So
Yeah.
they make our different. Okay, that's good to know.
Also, is
Okay.
this everything from last class we have a test on?
Yes. I'll have frequent tests here after.
Okay, because I wasn't here for last class.
The expectation is for you to watch the recording, finish the homework, and come. Am I wrong in stating that?
No, I watched it, but like I'm almost done.
You're almost done. That's okay. Then I'll send the link to you. You can take the test later, but you have to ping me and bug me for the output results.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Miss
Okay.
Priya,
Yep. Can I
my
go ahead?
book,
What, ma?
my book came late, so I didn't complete the homework yet.
I don't have my book.
You don't have
That's
your
why I
book.
couldn't delete it.
I
That's
didn't
why I
know
couldn't submit it.
which book it was.
Aha. Did you all see the welcome email?
I remember. Was it the same book you sent in like the last class, like at the end of the year? Do you know?
You know what? At the start of the year, I sent out a welcome email to each and every one of you in this class, right? The
Oh,
book
is it in that?
details are present in the welcome email.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Miss Priya, is it this book?
Yes, that's the book.
Okay.
If you have looked at the ISBN number, it's exactly the same book. Make sense? Rishita, I really want you on the video, ma. Okay, sorry to make that as a mandate, guys. Otherwise, I cannot have control of what is going on with each of you as well, right? I'm very particular that I need to have that. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and we are going to deal with. Okay, let me review a little bit of last week. Now, guys, given a function mapping diagram, x, y, let's say this. Is this a function? Is this a function? Is this a function? Akshita, is this a function, ma'am?
Yes,
How, why?
because all the inputs have only one output.
Good job. Okay. How about this? Is this a function of, okay, yes. Rishita, you go ahead and tell. Rishita, right?
It's Ritisha. Oh wait.
Ritisha. Okay, Ritisha. Yes, I have to get used to it. Okay, bear with me. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
It's okay.
Go ahead.
No, because there are two ones and they're in the X place and there cannot, so that means there are two different outputs for one X.
Good job. Nice to know. Okay. So this is not a function. Good job. Now, how about this? Is this a function? Who was attending the class? Jay, is this a function?
No.
No,
Why?
because the line goes over, like if you put a straight vertical line, it goes over like the line
Good.
twice.
Good. Vertical line test failed. So questions like this are on the test. It's only a 12-question test. Okay. After my class time, I'll assign it to you. You have to finish in 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Or at the end, I'll give you 5 minutes and you can take away 5 minutes from your time. Okay. Okay. Now, let's say a candle burns for 10 hours. Okay. It went from, it was 2 feet long. Have you seen a candle with 2 feet that's 2 feet long? So maybe I'm giving you, okay. It was 2 feet long. After 10 it burned at the rate of and reduced in height at the rate of 3 let's say that's 10 feet long. So it's easy for me. Okay, at the rate of 1 feet per hour. Okay, now can you tell me the domain? Can you tell me the domain? What is the independent variable here, Lakshmita? What is the independent variable here? What is the independent variable here?
Hours?
Hmm?
10 hours?
Good job. Independent variable is hours, the time. Okay. And then what is the dependent variable?
Feet.
Feet. Good job. Yes, Harshit, go ahead.
Oh, I was just gonna say the answer.
Okay. Now, let me ask you, what is the domain, Harshit?
Well, the domain is for the domain is 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no. Squarely braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1 minute, 1 minute. Is it a discrete function?
No,
Or a
wait, no.
continuous?
No, it's
Then
it's
write it the curly braces.
no. It's 1 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 10.
But why should it start from 1? From the 0th hour it
Oh,
should
zero,
start.
sorry.
It should start at the 0th hour.
Mhm.
What is the range of this function? Who wants to try? Prince, you want to try?
Range?
Mm-hmm.
That's
Range.
the height, right?
Good job. Height. Good job. Nice recognition. Go ahead.
So I'm not sure. Sorry, I haven't.
No problem. See, look at it. Read the context. A candle burns for 10 hours. It was 10 feet long. It burnt and reduced at the rate of 1 feet per hour. You tell me now.
So 0 is less than or equal to. There's 10 hours. Would it be the same since it's 10 hours?
Yeah, less than or
Or-
equal to y, right? Range
Yeah.
is the y values.
Yeah.
Less than
Why?
or equal to?
10 still.
Good
Is it?
job. 10 feet, right? It goes till 10 feet, right? Hours, X value, Y values in feet. So 0 to 10 feet. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I think we are good with functions. I'm going to move on. Okay, now if I give you the function f is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, now what is f of minus 2? Quick, guys, all of you in chat. This will tell me whether everybody caught up. Some of you have not submitted the book homework. I will wait for another week. If you're not submitting it, I'll have to let your parents know.
Miss
Mhm.
Priya,
Yes, ma.
I saw what you said under my homework and I forgot to do the homework, so I did it starting on Wednesday and I did the pages 97 to 107.
Good job, ma. But I will also send the answer key if you ask me for it. You see what I
Okay.
mean? I want you to check it against the answer key. This is not just for Nidhi. This is for all of you. You got it? Answer key is available. Once you finish, if you can ping me, definitely I'll share the answer keys with you. Okay, that is quite important for you to check against the answer key and come back and ask questions in class. I would be happy to help you. Make sense? Prisha, correct. Sreshta, f of minus 2 is what, ma, Sreshta? Johan, correct. Ashwat, incorrect.
I was a bit confused.
Okay, no problem, Kavin. But your mom has the welcome email. You have to check with her and get it done. Makes sense, Ashita? That is correct. Ritisha, can you send the answer to me? Prince, please check. I think you know, but you're making.
I already sent the answer.
Yes, Ritisha. I'm sorry I did not see, ma. I saw it now. You're correct.
Miss Priya, did you say mine was wrong?
Yeah, ma. No. You got it right. So basically, guys, some of you did not get it. Okay, let me see, Vikyat. Okay, book, please buy it by next week. Okay.
Miss Priya, I
Yes.
don't understand.
Yeah, see, this is equation, right? What is f of x? F of x is just y value. Y is given by 2x plus 3. They're asking what is f of minus 2? What is this? Whatever is inside is the x value, right? So substitute minus 2 in here. When you substitute minus 2 in there, it becomes minus 4 plus 3. Answer is minus 1. Any questions? It's just that they are giving the x value. They are asking for the y value. Did you get it?
Yes. Yeah.
Akshita, did you get it?
Yes.
Sreshta, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move on. See, guys, I really want to discuss the time change of this class. Some of you at least need to shift for me. Okay. I'll wait for another 1 week. I'll see how it goes. And I would definitely want some of you to move. Let me see. Okay. That's why I have the test as well, for me to understand if the class is really following each of you. I want to understand how you're doing. Okay. How about this? Suppose if I give you f of x equal to x square minus x. Okay. And I give you, find two things, guys. Two questions together you're going to answer. Okay. F of minus 2. Second one, find x when that you can't do. Okay, do that. Do that. Do that one problem. You can. Second one. Go. This is just a review of last class.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
my chat is disabled and I don't know why, so I'm gonna.
Lakshmita, you have to open the chat window, go to the top left corner. There is a blue box. When you click on it, you will be able to answer my questions.
Okay.
Ma'am, one more thing. When I put one dot, it means question number 1.
Okay, ma. Okay, Harsha. Dhruv, correct, Dhruv. Akshita, correct, ma. Prince, how are you calculating, Prince? How are you calculating? Vikyat correct. Harshad correct. Jay, how did you find out? Can you tell me? Lasya correct. Ritisha correct. Kavin. Ashrita, that's not correct.
Miss Priya, that was the answer from the first question. I'm
Oh, I'm
typing.
sorry, ma. Johan, that's incorrect. Nidhi, that's incorrect. Where are we missing? Sreshta, correct. Ashwath, incorrect. Prisha, incorrect. Avyukt, correct. Prisha, can you explain, ma?
I think I added -2 instead of subtracting -2 because I thought.
Okay, you
Yeah,
know
that
what?
was-
I
Yeah, I
Arush,
think I just saw it wrong, but
Arush,
I
you
don't.
cannot keep quiet in my class. I will bug you if I'm not getting answers. That is my main intent. If individually I'm not getting answers, I will bug you. Prisha, is the sign correct? Prince correct now. Prince, I really like the way you have given now. You should not make mistakes with the format you're sending. This is perfectly great.
You
You're okay.
see the negative? It never is the.
Yeah, I am going to show, guys. Ashita, that is correct, ma. Jay, can you tell me how you did it, Jay? Uh-huh.
So x squared, right? So I just took that as like 2x.
Wait. My
No, the x squared.
means x times x, right? Right.
Oh, I took it as 2x.
Ah, that's the
Hello?
the whole square means. You get it? What
Wait,
is
Miss
that
Ray, you were
answer?
lagging. Can you repeat that?
-2 is multiplied 2 times. -2 times -2. Making sense?
Oh, okay.
So that gives 4. Then minus, what is x value? -2.
You're lagging. I can't.
You're not able to hear me? Okay, let's see. This continues, I'll switch my connection, no problem. Shall we move on? Shall we move on, guys? Okay. Clearly, I'm lagging. Hold on, guys. Give a minute. Give a minute, please. Okay, give a minute, guys. You're going to wait for me, okay? Give a minute. Okay, still I did not get connected. Hold on. Able to hear me, guys? Okay, now are you all able to hear me better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is so much better, right? And thanks. If you are, yeah, if you're experiencing anything like that, you have to let me know. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to move on for modeling with functions. We are going to get into modeling with functions. Now, I want to understand Vijaya. Whose name is it? What is the kid's name? Rushita. Okay. You have to change. Thank you, lady. Okay, we were reviewing last week. At the end, you have a test today, ma. Okay. So you all know about independent variable and dependent variable. If I mark y like this, it's called function notation. This is called function notation. A function can be given as an equation, can be given as a function mapping diagram, What else can the function be? It can be given in the form of a table, right? What else can the give? It can be given as a verbal description. Can just be a description. A function can be described, right? Function can be given as an equation. A function can be given as a function mapping diagram. It can be a table or a graph. Any questions on this? Any questions on this? Do you all know how to represent a function as a verbal description, equation, function mapping, table, function notation? Function notation is the same as equation, graph.
Auntie, what does function mapping mean?
Function mapping diagram, last week I showed you XY values, right?
Oh, that. Okay.
The function mapping diagram.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, now let's go ahead. Let's say I worked. This is, we are going to model, meaning we are going to, I'm going to tell you, talk to you about some descriptions. Okay, you're going to write whatever I say as a function. How about this? Hours I worked. Hours I worked. I'm going to put it into a table and show you. Okay. Dollars I earned. Any questions here? Hours I worked. Dollars I earned. I worked for 1 hour, I earned $5. I worked for 2 hours, I earned $10. See, I'm describing, this is the verbal description of the function. I'm putting a table, that's the table that tells that it's a function. I worked for 3 hours, I earned $15. I worked 4 hours, I earned $20. Can you represent this function as an equation? I want you to represent this as a function f of x. F of x means y. You have to give me the equation for the function. That means you have to give y equal to what in terms of x. What are y and x? Y is your dependent variable, x is your independent variable. So instead of y, sophisticatedly, since you're all in algebra 1, you will say, auntie, f of x equal to the equation with x you're going to tell me. For that, for you to do that, first you have to decide which of these is x. Which is x here? Which of
Hours
hours
at
I work.
work.
Hours I worked.
Yeah, now you know this is f of x. Hereafter I won't say y because you're all in algebra 1. Go ahead. Write the equation for me. If you don't know, it's okay, you can let me know.
Auntie, is it correct?
Give me a minute. Nidhi, you can never write f is equal to. Nidhi, you can never write f is equal to. Okay, f doesn't indicate a function. Did you mean to say y equal to? Then you have to call that as f in the parenthesis x. The whole thing means it's y.
Yeah,
And
I just realized that now before you told me.
okay, so you got it now. So that's how you cannot say f is equal to 6. Not like that. If you want to say y equal to 6, then you have to say f parenthesis x parenthesis close equal to. Jay, what is that? What do you mean by that? I really want an equation connecting y and x. That's what I'm asking for, right? Jay,
Okay, yeah.
would you be able to write down? See the pattern, how y relates to x. Think about it. Good job, Kavin. Akshat correct. Harshad correct. Vikyat correct. Dhruv correct. I'll help you if you have not followed. Akshita correct ma. Prince correct. Avyukt correct. Prisha correct. Ashwat, okay. Ashruta correct. Sreshta correct. Ashwat, after the class, I would like to talk to your mom. Okay, guys, did you get it? Ritisha, did you get it, ma? Oh, good job. But is that correct? Jay, good try. You have edited to a correct one. But then let me ask you this, Jay. Put x equal to this value in your equation. Are you getting this for y? What is the
Yeah.
mistake? Huh?
Oh, okay.
Think, okay, Jay, I'll help you, Jay, here. How about this? X, how did it become 5? How did 2 become 10? How did 3 become 15? How did 4? It's just the rule I'm asking you to write. You think you
Oh,
can
okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that number, where do I put it? In the X slot, or like where do I put that number?
Okay, okay. You have a question. Rushita, see here, ma, I'm explaining for Jay and you can as well listen. See, basically what I'm doing with the X is being, think about the heading of the table.
Multiplied by
X
5.
times 5 will be equal to, I can say X times 5 equal to f of X, which is Y. A polished way of saying this is, hey, X times 5 is 5X equal to, don't say Y because I want it in function notation. F of X equal to 5X. Make sense, guys? Make sense? Rushita, don't worry about it. What are we doing is, we have just started, after you entered only, we started this class. Function modeling, meaning from a table, we have to write equations. You got it, Rushita? That's what we are doing.
Okay.
Can I move
Yeah.
on?
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't miss at all. We were reviewing and I said we'll have a test in your last 10 minutes of class. Okay, now I'm going to a carnival. I'm describing the function. Okay, I'm going to a carnival. Admission fee, admission cost $10. Okay, I don't know how many rides I'm going to ride. Okay, I don't know how many rides I'm going to ride. How much will be the money I spend? How much money I will spend? For that, you have to write the equation. So your y value is the how much money. So y value, the dependent variable is the money you're going to spend, right? Now, how much money I'll spend if each ride costs $2? What does it mean? What are the dependent variables and independent variables here? Harshat, you want to say? Go ahead, Harshat.
The dependent variable is the money, the cost of each ride.
Good job. Wait. So cost of each ride, that each ride is changing the total money that I'm going to
The
spend.
total money, yeah.
So money is the y value. Number of rides, can I say? That as my x value. If I put it like that, how much money I will spend? I should not be writing y. I have to write it in function notation. So f of x will be what? Meaning the money I spend really depends on the number of rides, right? So I'll stop here. How are you going to get the total money I spend? That is your y value. Based on the number of rides, can you come up with an equation? Admission fee is anyway 10. So I'll have to pay 10 first. That will get added to what? If X is the number of rides, what will happen? Ritisha, did you follow, ma?
Yes.
Good job, Sreshta. Good job, Akshita. Harshad, good job. Nidhi, good job. Ashrita, I did not ask you. I'm going. X is the number of. You got it.
Yeah,
Nidhi.
sorry. I wrote that first, but then when you said like X is the number of rides, I got confused. So
I really appreciate you telling me that you're still thinking. I'll wait for you. Jay, you got it. Did you see, Jay?
Yeah.
I'm proud of you. Prisha, correct, ma. Prince, correct. I'm proud of you guys. All of you are getting it. Johan, correct. Avyukt, what is that you don't know, Avyukt? I'm here to help you. Tell me. Arush, where is the admission fee? Will you just finish the ride and come? Nobody is even going to admit you inside the carnival if you don't pay the admission fee. So what should happen? Can you fix it?
Okay.
Kavin, your equation is missing the x completely. It only has the y. Any function should have y and x,
Oh,
right,
I
guys?
forgot it. I mistyped.
Add. Good job, Rushita. Lakshmita, correct. Latisha, correct. Lasya. Ashwath, I didn't get your answer, Ashwath.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Avyuk, correct. Arush, correct. Okay. Clearly, I can see, I'll tell what is happening. Couple of you did not get it. Dhruv, did you send the correct answer to me?
You never told me it was wrong.
Sorry, I didn't see your answer. You got it right. Okay. Now, I am going to a carnival. See, money, first of all, determine what is the y value, what is the x value. Once you determine what is the x and y value, right? The total money you have to think about it. What? Total money you'll be spending will be the admission cost. Plus, suppose you don't know how to fill this in. Let me put a table. Table really helps, guys. Table is you can depend on the table to get you the equation. X, Y. Suppose you go for 0 rides. You go for 0 rides, still to visit the carnival, you have to pay $10. You go for 1 ride. This is the number of rides. This is the dollar. You go for 1 ride, you'll be paying 10 plus 2. You go for 2 rides, what happens? 10 plus 2 times 2. You go for 3 rides. 10 plus what? 2 times 3. You see what is happening? I can replace this with x because that's the number of rides, right? See, that's the number of rides. So if you go for x rides, what happens? 10 plus 2 times x, that is your y. So your f of x is 10 plus 2 times x. Any questions? What is a function? Function is an equation which relates x with y. That's it. If x varies, how will the y vary? That's what we are going to convey. Varad, you just came in, right? So we are just trying to put out verbal descriptions of different scenarios and write it as an equation using a table.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on. How about this? Okay. How about this? You're going to write it down, okay? I'm going to sit and watch. A cable company charges $0.25 per minute for the first 5 minutes of a call, plus $0.45 for what? Connection fee per call. Connection fee per call. Now, what is the dependent variable, independent variable? First of all, find out. After that, I want you to write out the total cost Let me do this one. I'll rephrase it, okay? I don't want it to make it complicated.
What if you already sent in the answer?
You can't write the answer with that. That's why I changed it. Meaning, you can never form an equation with what I said. So now, the cable company charges 0.25 per minute plus 0.45 connection fee per call. Okay. What is the total cost I will pay to make a call? I will pay to make a call. So first tell me what is the X value, what is the Y value. This is what is important. Then you will have to send me three things. One is the X, what is X, what is Y, and then the equation. Harshat, you got the equation, but you did not tell me what is X value, Y value. Good job, Prince. Good job, Prisha. I'm waiting, guys. Oh, Jay, good job. But what is X, what is Y? Vikyat, I need answers from you, Vikyat.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
That's 45 cents, right? Connection fee.
Yeah, Ma, you can send it to me for sure. I just want to do something, guys. Go ahead. You can send it to me.
Wait, so you're asking for the equation X and Y value?
Yes, equation.
Okay.
I am asking you for the equation that connects X with Y. You got it?
Yeah.
What do you mean by that, Miss Priya?
What do you mean by?
What do you mean by how an equation that connects the X to the Y?
I am asking you to write the function equation, f of X.
Oh, okay.
J, you wrote the equation correctly, but X indicates what? X is a variable. You can substitute any value to it. What is X? X will be the
Boy, I'm confused.
what is it?
I'm confused.
See, yeah, I'll help you. Ratisha corrected, Kavin corrected. But what is X and Y, guys? None of you are saying that.
Hey, Miss Priya.
Hmm.
I got the equation, but what am I supposed to write for number one again?
Number one, I want you to write what is X in this context. What is the dependent variable? What is the independent variable?
Okay. Right.
Johan, good job on all. Ashwath, that's incorrect. Dhruv, correct. Vikyat, correct. But what is the X and Y value, guys? What is the Ashrita, correct, ma? Prince, correct. Prince, but I did not ask you to say dependent and independent. I asked you for what is X in this context? What is the, see, they're asking what is the total cost I'll pay to make a call. So this is my dependent variable. So Y, which is my dependent variable, is the total cost to make a call. X is what? What is X? X is the number of minutes I talk. Number of minutes I talk on the call. So now per call, they will collect a connection fee, right? So basically the total cost Y, I have to connect Y and X. So will be the base charge 0.45 plus the base charge for establishing the call. After that, 0.25 per minute, right? Suppose, let's say I'm talking for X minutes. X minutes means, see, how will I know? I will form a table first. X, Y. Suppose I talk for 0 minutes. The call, I establish a call, I will still pay how much? 0.45. Suppose if I talk for 1 minute, this is how many minutes I talk, this is the money in dollars. 1 minute I talk, it will be 0.45 plus 1 times 0.25. If I talk for 2 minutes, 0.45 plus 2 times 0.25. If I talk for 3 minutes, 0.45 plus 3 times 0.25. If I talk for X minutes, 0.45. See, 1, 2, 3 keep changing, and that's the X value, right? So plus X times 0.25. Did you all get it? So now this is your Y, right? Y will be equal to, so you can write f of x will be equal to 0.45 plus 0.25x. Any questions, guys? Dhruv, did you get it, Dhruv?
Yes.
Okay. How about this? Okay, you're going to tell me this. I earn $8.50. I earn $8.50. I work no more than 5 hours a day. I work no more than 5 hours. Okay, a day. Only for 5 hours I work. Okay. Now tell me, what is X? What is Y? What is f of 4? F of 4 means what? And then write out the number for it. And then also tell me, what is the domain? I earn $8.50 per hour. I am sorry, guys. That is more important.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
wouldn't it be f of 5 because you wrote 5 above?
I work no more than 5 hours. What does that mean?
So you're working.
The max value for the independent variable in this context is 5. It can be 0.5, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, but you can't go more than 5. You got it?
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, so meaning try to think and figure out as well. The context is I cannot work more than 5 hours. That means what? I can still work for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 4.5 hours. If you don't know, it's absolutely fine, but you need to let me know. Good job, Vikya. That is X is correct. Is it so? Good job, Bharat. Very good job, Bharat. Everything is correct. You picked up? Very nice. You joined late, you picked up. Very nice. Oh, wow. Ashrita, correct, ma. J. J. What is that J? X is what J? X is what?
Auntie, did you get mine?
Wait, let me talk to J, ma. I'll come back to you. J.
Yeah.
What is X?
I put it at 8.5. No, I mean $8.50.
Yeah, but X cannot be a particular value, right? You have to form a table, right? Jay, did you form the table? Table
no.
is your best shot. What is X? What is Y? Both X and Y should be some English definitions, right? What is X, what is Y here? Like something like dollars or hours, something of that sort, right? J, what is X, what is Y?
Okay.
What is X, what is Y? Tell me.
Y is like hours, and then
Y is what?
Y is like the hours.
No, always, which independent variable is always the time. Independent variable is X.
So it's the other
So,
way around. And the
yeah,
cost is for Y.
hours, dollars. Good job, Jay. Now what happens? If you work for 0 hours, you get $0, right? You
Yeah.
work for 1 hour, how many dollars you get?
$8.50.
$8.50, right? Times
I
1.
I sent the rest of my answers.
Okay, if you work for 2 hours, what happens, Jay?
It doubles.
Yeah, so if you work for X hours, I just changed it to X. So what happens here? What will be the Y?
8.50. It in brackets 3. Oh no, X.
X, that's it. So this is what I'm asking. Y will be equal to 8.5x. That's what I'm asking. But instead of writing Y, you will tell me that as f of x will be equal to 8.5x. You got it?
Yeah.
So here you will write hours. Here you'll write dollars. What is f of 4 means what? What does f of 4 signify here? What does it
4
refer to?
hours. 4 hours, how much do you earn?
Exactly. F of means that's the Y value. So I'm asking how much did you earn for 4 hours? That's what I'm asking. So 8.5 times 4, which is $34. Make sense?
Yeah.
Ritisha, very clear? Or is it too easy for you? Are you learning it for the first time, Ritisha?
Well, kind of. I've never really done that much of functions.
Ah, so you're doing it for the first time?
Not exactly the first time, but I am trying to review it because I haven't done too much with functions. I've only done it a little bit.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay. How about this? Can you express this in function notation? 3x plus 2y equal to 12. I want you to write the function notation. What is this function notation? You all know, right? What is function notation? Simply for sophisticated way, people just say y will be equal to f of x. But the thing is, I'll have to convert it to y equal to format. How will you convert it to y equal to? It's all jumbled up, right? You have to push everything to the right side. Arush, I'm not getting answers from you, Arush. Literally, if I'm not getting, I'm going to get back to your parents and say, I'm so sorry, I cannot continue my classes. I'll wait for 2 weeks, 3 weeks maximum. But if I don't keep getting your answers in the class, that's what I have to do. Because for me, the class should be productive. You have to learn something and go. You should say, hey, I learned this, I found this useful. My intent is not to pick on you or anything. Maybe that it is not working. F of. Oh, wow. Prince, good job. Great details in the answers.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
can I go to the bathroom really quickly?
Yeah, go and come back quickly.
Miss Priya, I'm confused.
Kavin, good job, Kavin. Kavin, school started, huh?
Yeah, it did.
Okay. Avyukt, good job, Avyukt.
Do we have to write f of x or do we just solve the equation?
You don't solve the equation. I want you to write whatever I have given in function notation. Write this in function notation. I would really like to finish up on another topic. Let's see. Okay, Ashwath, I'm noting down. Oh, wow, Johan, good job on the previous problem. What a detailed explanation. Dhruv, good job. Ashrita, I'm waiting for your
I'm a little
answer.
bit confused on what you mean by function notation.
Meaning, I'm asking you to express this as y equal to what? Then you can say f of x equal to the same thing. You have to convert the format. Y equal to
Okay.
is given, but what?
Auntie,
You got it?
is mine right?
No, you have made mistakes with the signs. Rushita. Rushita, is that correct, ma? Is that answer for this one?
Oh, no, my bad.
Akshita. Akshita, is that answer for this one, ma?
Yeah.
Why do you think so? How will you see? Okay, Akshita, let me give you clues. You are going to retain this on one side. The rest of it has to go. 3x, there is a plus sign if there's no sign. So I'll have to subtract 3x on both sides, right? So this will become a 0. Now what happens? 2y will be equal to 12 minus 3x. Correct, Akshita?
Yes.
Now I don't want 2y. I have to have y equal to. So what should I do? Divide by 2, divide by 2. Division by 2 means 12 is divided by 2 and 3 is as well divided by 2. So y will be equal to 12 divided by 2 minus 3 by 2x. Make sense?
Yes.
After that, you have to simplify. 4 minus 3 by 2x. Any questions here?
No.
No.
Okay. Last year, did you get it, ma?
Miss Priya, how is it 4? Isn't it supposed to be 6?
Oh, 6. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you, Ashrita. I really appreciate it. Now, what happens? But I can't write this like this. They're asking for function notation, right? They became very sophisticated. You're all in algebra, right? So f of x equal to 6 minus 3 by 2x. You got it? That means function that's dependent on x. Together, it's the y. How many of you did not get it?
I get it now after you explained it.
Rishita, how about you, ma?
I
I'll
get it
come.
now.
I understood after you explained it.
Explain? Okay. Harshit, what was your question, Harshit?
So decimal is fine, right, ma'am?
Decimal is fine. Good questions though. Okay, now can you tell me how to do this one? 4x minus 3y will be equal to 24. Can you write it in function notation? This one should be easy. Vikyat, I need your answer on this. Emma, I'll start giving homework from the book like anything.
About the book thingy, how do you access that?
You have to buy the book, ma.
What book?
It's in the welcome email. Ask your mom, ma. I really
Oh,
want you to buy the book and start doing from the book.
okay.
You got it?
Because I thought it was a digital book.
No. You have to buy the book. The details are given in the welcome email. Can you check with your mom and dad?
Okay, I will.
Yeah. Can you check your answers, guys?
Miss Priya,
We didn't cover so much that I wanted, but let's see. Done?
Miss Priya.
Yeah, Ma.
Could you also write what the functions could be used for? In what ways can functions be written as? Because I want to write it down.
What is that? Abhit, can you explain what you wanted?
So function of x, it can be written as tables and graphs and other ways. Could you like write down on the board what are all those ways of writing it?
Okay, a table,
Yeah.
graph, function mapping diagram, verbal description, just like that, telling it out. Okay,
Okay.
and function notation or the equation. That's it.
Okay, sure.
Function notation or the equation. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now can I start checking the answers? Mm-hmm. I just want to check on a couple of things, guys. Okay, I'm good. But there is one that's missing. So I don't want my video. Mm-hmm. Okay, but I can't make it go. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. Did you all send it? I have all answers now. Good job, Abhyuk. Prisha, can you convert that minus minus to a plus mark?
Okay, yeah, I was gonna ask you if I should do that.
Yeah. Ashwath. Is that right, Ashwath? Ashwath, is the signs correct? Johan. What is that, Johan? There is minus minus. What is all that? Everything has to become a plus, right? Johan, you have written this, right, Johan? Right? Numerator negative, denominator negative. This will become this, right, Johan? You got it? Dhruv, last year, correct. Dhruv, correct. Ashruta, correct. Kavin, the signs seem very correct.
I realize it.
Arush, the signs seem incorrect. Guys, you need to be very careful with the sign. Rushita, correct, ma. Okay, Harshat, correct. Jay, good job. But where is the XJ? And
Yeah,
you
I
also,
forgot
you also
about the
made a
plus
mistake
and
in
the
the
X.
sign. There is a mistake. I'm going to tell you, Bharat, that's incorrect. Where are you substituting the values? I never asked you to substitute values. Prince, correct. Prisha, correct. Ashwath, you corrected it. Good job. Lakshmita, that's not correct. There's some mistake. See, guys, subtract 4x on both sides. You have to methodically do this. This will become 0 minus 3y will be equal to 24 minus 4x. Now what you do? What do you do? Divide by minus 3 everywhere. So minus and minus will become a plus here. Here it will be a minus 8. 24 by minus 3. This will be y here. This is your answer, guys. But again, this will become f of x. Make sense? Make sense? Okay. Now you know what? I will see when you're given an equation like this. When you're given an equation like this, how do I make it into a graph? How do I make it into a graph? Pretty easy, guys. I tell you, very easy. Okay. Draw the table. Table is our connection. X, Y. X is your independent value. You can substitute anything. I'll take one negative value, one 0, and a positive value. That's all. Now, plug this into my equation. I'll get y. How to get y? If I plug in minus 2 plus 3y equal to 15. Add 2 on both sides. 3y equal to 17. y equal to 17 by 3. I'll write it down here. Substitute 0. If you substitute 0, 3y equal to 15, y equal to 5. Substitute 2. 2 plus 3y equal to 15. Subtract 2, subtract 2. 3y equal to 13, y equal to 13 by 3. Now this become your points on the graph. See, minus 2 is 17 by 3. What is 17 by 3? Something like a 5. So minus 2 is like a 5 point something, right? So that point is here. 0, comma 5. 0, comma 5. 2, comma 13 by 3 is what? 4 point something. 2 is 4 point something. So the line connects all the points. Did you guys get it? Did you guys get it? So you're given an equation. You're going to put a table. Independent values can be any. So I just take up minus 2, 0, 2, negative 0 and a positive value. You can take minus 1, 0, 1. And then plug this into the equation. Plug the x value into the equation, you get the y value. Write that down and these are your xy points to plot it into the graph. Graph it. It's a line. Any questions? Any questions here? Dhruv, did you get it?
Yeah.
Bharat, did you get it? Okay. I'll stop here. Today we learned a lot. But wait, please don't log off. When will you complete the test for me? I have the test, right? When will you complete the test? Now?
No.
It's only a 12 question test. You can log off, but then please listen. I will close the form by 7 o'clock. I will close the form by 7:15 your time. I want you to submit before that. Okay. I will close the form by, please don't switch tabs. Okay. You have to take it very nicely, in the sense you should have integrity. Okay. Otherwise I'll start putting monitors. Okay. Can I send it in chat?
Yeah.
Can I send it in chat? Please make sure you finish the test and go. I will close accepting. I will stop accepting responses in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, I'll stop accepting responses after this. Please click on the link, see whether it's accessible. You got it? You got it?
Yeah, it's working.
Okay. So I will stop accepting responses sharp at your time 7:10. Make sense, guys? It's a 12 question test. You all can get off the meeting, do it. Okay, guys? Shall I stop here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Miss Priya, can I talk to you?
Absolutely, ma.
Bye.
Anytime you can wait.
Miss Priya, so I just got my book like today morning, so I didn't finish the homework.
No
And
problem. We can
also,
submit it together.
okay, so do you want me to do the test today?
Yes.
Okay.
Whatever.
I can't copy and paste the link, and when I click on it, it takes me to a different browser that I can't access. I can't access the doc.
Okay. Can I send it to your mom?
Yeah, can you do that?
Wait. Let me send it to your mom. Wait, I don't have connection on my computer for the WhatsApp. Wait.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma. Bye-bye. Should I send it to your mom, Vikyat? Wait.
I think I actually no, never mind. I got it.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Yeah, I got it, Miss Priya.
Sure.
Bye,
Yeah.
Miss Priya.
Bye.
Thank you, Miss Priya. I have it now.
Next week,
Bye.
guys. You will submit and then only log off. Bye, guys. See you all next week. Have a good week ahead, guys.